Hello, I'm Amanda Cantrell, founder and videographer for POV and Pixels. Thanks so much for joining me today. Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you are a real estate agent that has the most beautiful and spectacular properties in town, but you really want to highlight them. So that's where I come in. The residential videos that I've filmed provide a certain vibe that invokes a certain lifestyle. That's really the only way to say it, and I do that by capturing the home's best features at certain angles, using certain effects, and then also royalty-free music that you can use across your social media platforms. Speaking of social media, if you're not familiar with social media, then I also offer that as an add-on component to filming of the listings and also branded company culture videos. I'll touch on the social media management aspect in just a moment, but let me just talk to you about branded company culture videos. Whether you're an independent agent or you work very closely with your brokerage, there's a lot going on in your business every single day. You're making phone calls, you're prospecting, you're looking up various listings, you're checking those listings out, you're hosting showings, there's company events, there's so many things going on, and not to mention all the knowledge that you possess about the real estate market. That is content that I want to capture, and I want to share that with your audience. That is what sets you apart from your competition and makes you the expert in your field and allows your potential buyers and sellers to feel comfortable with you. In addition to the home being captured as beautifully as possible, I provide a thumbnail that is branded, so that way when it is posted on your YouTube channel or your Facebook, it has your MLS listing number. It also has your phone number, email, any sort of contact information, also your logos, and that is also going to be provided in the descriptions below. So if I post it on YouTube, all of that will be there, and that will be there forever. So that builds up a strong SEO search engine of you, especially as the go-to real estate agent in your area. And you can also share those across different platforms and just on your personal accounts even. So it's certainly worth the investment. As a professional social media manager, I also feel it is my duty to inform you of the difference between social media management and marketing. So as a social media manager, what I will do for you is post your content to the various platforms that you choose of the packages that I offer. I will create that custom branded thumbnail, so you don't have to worry that the video is gonna stop on the image where you have like a lazy eye or something bad like that, that you don't want necessarily to be frozen on the internet. I'm gonna give you that photo that's gonna cover that and immediately take your buyers into the beautiful home that they're watching. Also, on top of the custom thumbnail and the video, you're going to get custom branded company content. And again, that is, hey, what's going on with the real estate market right now? Let me tell you about that. You want to find the best places in Chattanooga to eat? Let me show you about that. Let me take you on a tour around town. Oh, well, this is the most amazing time to buy a home, or maybe you don't want to buy a home. Maybe you want to refinance. Maybe you'd like to get a second property and use that as an investment property. It's endless, really. The content ideas are endless. And not only that, but you also are most likely going to plenty of networking and company events and all of those things that you're doing. So I want to be there to capture some of that, share that background story with your buyers, with your sellers. That way they understand who you are, who they're working with. They know your personality. They know your expertise. So that is the point of a social media manager. We not only create the concepts behind the content that we share, we capture them, and then we post them so that way the public can see them. In terms of managing that account, such as Facebook or Instagram, we will like posts, we will leave comments, we'll follow relevant accounts. That way you're also showing up on their feed as well, and they can see what you're doing, and their viewers can engage with your content. And so we do those things such as that. Anything beyond that is marketing. So when you talk about newsletters, mailing campaigns, emails, any of that sort of thing, managing Google+. I do not handle that platform. Anything secretarial services or even posting to your own personal accounts, I do not do that. That is up to you or your marketing person that you have in place. And in order to get the best ROI on your investment of my packages, you're going to need a bona fide marketing person in place that can really do that, that can really help you get a bang for your buck. My job is to create the content, post the content, manage what's happening with that content. So I hope that really provides clarity that you need on the difference between marketing and the difference between social media management. My services are offered on a monthly subscription basis. So that means every month we're going to sit down and we're going to shoot a video that your buyers, sellers, and overall general audience really wants to see. I determine that based on the analytics provided by the platform algorithms. They show me exactly what has worked in the past, so we continue to do those things, and then also what hasn't, so we steer away from those things, or I think of how we can do it better. I offer 2 packages, and both packages come with that branded content. So that's in addition to actually capturing and featuring your listings. So you're gonna have plenty of content to share across your platforms. The social platforms that I offer management of are Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Those are going to give you your biggest return, especially when it comes to video content. And as we all know, based on Twitter, Instagram Reels, Facebook video, Facebook Live, video. It's all about video, 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 especially when you're dealing with out-of-town buyers who can't be here locally. They want to see the home. They really want to experience it. And that's where I come in. That's video. By utilizing the social media management add-on, that takes all that work off your plate, so you're not using your time figuring out when the best time is to post the videos. You're not trying to figure out trendy hashtags. You're not having to like comments or respond to comments. Follow accounts that are relevant, and I'll be doing the posting so you can actually do what it is that you do and excel at it. I highly encourage you to look at my previous work. Message me if you have any questions. Let's set up a consultation. I cannot wait to work with you. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of capturing the most amazing and spectacular homes here in the Chattanooga area, and also working with the best of the best. And I consider myself the best of the best, and that's who I want to work with. I want to work with you. Give me a call. I want to be your videographer. Thanks for your time. Bye.